Hello, today we're going to see a quick password cracking tutorial with John the Ripper. The first step in this tutorial is to create a custom executable payload with MSF Venom, which will give us a reverse shell from the victim machine. I created the payload now and I'm going to move this to the directory of the web server, so it can be accessed from the Windows virtual machine that's on the right side. In order to do this, we need to start Apache. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Okay, we're all set. Second stage is to use MSF console and prepare a payload that will pick up that reverse connection from the XP virtual machine. Otherwise, we wouldn't have anything to create the connection back to our Kali. So now I'm going to access the web page of the Linux virtual machine, and I'm going to download this infected file. First I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to launch exploit on MSF console as I did in the past. We already popped the shell, so that's important. Let's interact with the interpreter shell. At this point we see that we're not system, but that's not a problem. We simply launch get system and we're good to go. At this point, for safety's sake, I'm going to migrate to a more stable process, and in order to perform hash dump, I need to migrate to a process that's already been started when Windows starts. Alright. At this point we can dump the password hashes. And I'm gonna save this to a text file. I'm gonna simply use leafpad to create a file that we're going to use to crack the passwords. I'm gonna call it windowsashes.txt. Alright. Okay. The second stage is to understand what kind of hashes we have, so we don't need interpreter anymore, so I can exit this session. And as a matter of fact, it's easier if I move this file to the root folder. So now we can launch John the Ripper and understand what kind of format we need to use. The indication we have is to use the NT format. There's no point in wasting more time, so I'm going to launch the command to crack the passwords, and I'm going to use rockq, which is a word list already included in Kali, with the NT format. And you see that we immediately recovered the passwords. I purposefully chose very quick passwords just to give you an idea of how the process works. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.